This is the man with pneumatic drill and compressor set, from P and D Marsh in 00 gauge. It is a figure set made from white metal and comes hand painted. White metal models have a weighty feel to them, and are finely detailed. The model is well packaged in a hard plastic case with a sponge pad for extra protection. In the box you will find the figure. The figure is posed to represent a road worker operating his pneumatic drill. A compressor. The compressor has some nice details, such as picked out switches and gauges. And a connecting hose. The hose can be laid alongside to complete the scene. The road worker measures 22 millimeters in height, and the compressor is 24 millimeters long. The man with pneumatic drill and compressor set, from P and D Marsh.